Hey guys, Mushy here. A lot of you have been asking how to set up all this AI stuff, so I'm going to make a quick tutorial video on it and show you guys how to set up all the essentials as quickly as possible, as well as some extra things that I think are pretty cool. Just pause the video whenever you need to and let's get started. The first thing we're going to need to get is Git. Go to their homepage. It should look like this. Click on the download section, download the link right here. Next, we're going to need Python 3.10.6. Scroll at the bottom of this page, download the recommended installer right there. Then we'll need Python 3.11.6. Again, scroll to the bottom and download it. Next, we'll need comfyUI on GitHub. Scroll down to the install section, and they have a big download link right here for the zip file. Grab that. Next, you want to get Krita. Krita is an awesome painting program. Just head over to the download section here, download it right here. Then we'll need the plugin for Krita, the Krita AI diffusion plugin on GitHub. So go to this page, scroll down to the download right here, click on that. It will bring you to another page, and then just click on this download link for the zip file. Next, we'll want to get the comfyUI manager. It's an extension. Makes things a lot more convenient with this menu here. Roll down until you see download scripts install manager for portable version.bat. You want to right click on this link and save as. This bat file will basically install everything automatic. Alright, so first we want to extract the comfyUI zip file. Extract that. Next, install Git. Just hit next on all the settings and install it. Don't need to worry about that. And install Python. Make sure you click add to path checkbox, and then do the same thing for the other one. Then install Krita. I'm gonna run Krita at least once to make sure it sets up the folders. Now extract the Krita AI diffusion zip file. Copy these files out of there. Go to your C drive, users, add your username, mine's admin. Then make sure you have view hidden files, hidden items turned on. Go in app data, roaming, Krita, then the PyKrita folder for the Python, and paste it right here. And once you've done that, go back to downloads folder. The extracted comfyUI folder here. Go in there, you should see comfyUI Windows Portable. I would just rename it to something simple like comfy. Then we're gonna move that to the C drive. I'm gonna make a folder called AI. Just put it in here. Just keep all the names simple. Next, we will want to run Krita. Go settings, configure, Scroll down the left side to Python Plugin Manager. Check the AI image diffusion at the top. Hit OK, and you gotta restart Krita. Go new document, settings, Dockers, then check AI image generation checkbox, and this will pop up here. We want to go in here, set the server path to your comfy folder. So AI comfy, select, and we want to install pretty much everything. These are the models here. I'm just gonna install the Juggernaut XL just for this video. Hit the install button. And this is civetai.com. This is where you're gonna download most of your models, the LoRa's and workflows. You can also download workflows from openart.ai. But for this video, I'm gonna grab an LCM model for this extra thing. So once this is downloaded and installed, everything is pretty much done, actually. Except for the manager. Let's go back into your downloads, grab the manager installer.bat, and put that in the comfy base folder, and just run that. Then once this is done, it's pretty much, that's it. You've set up all the basic essentials of stable diffusion. But I'm gonna show you some extra things that are pretty cool. So with the Git that we installed, we'll be able to install custom nodes using this Git clone link. We will copy that. This is comfyUI toy XYZ test nodes. This is a custom node this guy made. It allows you to live render like webcams or pretty much anything through comfyUI. I'll show you how to do that. So go to comfyUI toy XYZ test nodes if you're interested in this. Click the green button, copy the Git link, and we'll go into comfyUI custom nodes folder, and then go in the address bar and type cmd. I'll bring you up in that folder. Then type git clone, and then the link. Hit enter. That's one way you can install these custom nodes or pretty much anything from GitHub, is they don't always show up in the comfyUI manager. So now that we got that, go into the toy XYZ test node folder, capture cam folder, run the setup, which is going to install these Python modules. Now we can run his capture cam program. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool. You can capture a region, you can capture a window, you can capture a webcam, you can capture a capture card. So I'll show you how to use that in a second. We're going to want to get the LCM model. So I'll show you here. Click on filters, all time, checkpoints, all checkpoints, SD 1.5 LCMs. You could use the SDXL 1.0 LCM, but they're slower. We'll just get an anime one. Any anime one's good. We'll just grab every journey. You could use any of these. And for the LoRa, we'll just get a line. Make sure you pay attention to the... You want to make sure you don't mix up a 1.5 with the XL. So yeah, this one's a 1.5, and we want to get... Alright. Then we want to get this LoRa here called line art. This is also a 1.5, which is what we want. These are the trigger words. So line art. Download that. This every journey LCM. Cut that. Go to the comfyUI models folder. Checkpoints. And create 2 folders here. Call one 5 or 15. Call the other one XL. So you make sure you keep these separated, keep them organized. So in here, call it LCM. Put it in there. Line art, LoRa. Models. Then you want to go LoRa's this time. New folder. 15. New folder. XL. It's like a style LoRa. Paste it in there. So this is done. Now when you click into the settings here, here's your style presets. You can set all this up however you want. Strength determines how close to what you're drawing. The lower it is, it's closer to your drawing. The higher it is, the closer to the model it's gonna try to mimic. Just say blue bird tree in a tree. there's not much detail in the image, so I have to put the strength quite high. Give it a second to load the model. Those are quite different. Say I pick that. Then the next thing you can do, so the LCM, refresh the folder. If you get this error, we just have to restart this. Uh-oh. What have you done? Right here, you can click live mode and click on this one, set to every journey. Down here is your sampler settings. These ones are specifically just for live mode right here. So you want the steps pretty low, so like 4 steps, configuration around 1, LCM. The default sampler settings will be for like all the other stuff that's not LCM. So you probably don't want to go lower than 16 steps, and no lower than like probably 4 configuration. Just hit the play button, type in blue tree. We could add another bird in. Then you hit this button to apply it. It kind of looks bad right now. Not sure. Could be configuration. Anyways, you can also, if we go back to the generate mode, you can select an area and you can patch things out with the AI. It's pretty much all there is to that. Alright, next I'll show you the toy XYZ nodes. Into the custom nodes. We'll run his program here. Go to his GitHub page. Now we want to run comfyUI for this. Run NVIDIA GPU.bat. On his GitHub page here, he has the workflows. So you can click on the picture here, drag it into the comfyUI to load his workflow up. So we want to set the checkpoint to every journey LCM. Want to use KSD VAE. We want to set line art LoRa. These are your main settings here. So you don't want to go really above 4 steps, so 3 or 4 steps is good. Config, you want around 1, and the denoise, you don't want to go above 40. Let me show you something else here. The way I add a region window, like that. Press C on it. Set to region capture. We can click AI render, it'll show us the render. Select extra options, auto queue. It'll put this on a loop. And I hit start. And we re-render stuff in real time. Gonna stop that for now. If you notice, there's this capture watermark. I'll show you how to get rid of that. Go back to the custom nodes. Go in there to the capture cam. Create a backup of this cam.py. Just copy and paste it and edit. You want to scroll down to line 1352 or just search text underscore overlay plus save underscore status. When you see this in front of the AI render preview, we want to replace this variable, the text overlay, with 2 quotation, just like that, and then save it. You can change the default settings in there as well if you're going to use it a lot. So run it again. Region window. I didn't hit, there's a shortcut key on the keyboard. I didn't hit C on the window. C will select it. Now it's working. And the capture watermark's gone. But you'll notice the CPU usage is quite high. So I'll show you how to control that. We go back to go back to his page here, the test nodes page. Go to discussions. I made a little discussion here about that. Controlling CPU usage. Download this text file. And cut this text file. Put it in the custom nodes folder. Open it. Save as. .py as all files and save it right there. Then we'll just restart comfyUI. Restart this. Now, right click, add node. We got delay at the bottom. Add the latent delay. Take the output from the encode into latent delay and put the output from that into the K sampler. So now the CPU dropped from like 80%, now it's like 50, 45. And you can just control how much delay that you want. But obviously that'll affect the frame rate. I'll show one other thing here quickly. On this. So there's a workflow that I got that's really cool. And Mattio workflow. I think he has a link to it in here. Download workflows right here. I think that's where I got it. Anyways, this blink workflow allows you to create an animated blinking, like a profile picture. It'll animate you'll see, it's pretty cool. But you need some stuff before you can even use this. So I have nodes, these custom nodes aren't loaded. So the nice thing about the manager, go in here, install missing custom nodes. We want to install these. Hit update all. Everything's already up to date apparently. Relaunch comfyUI. Now that these nodes are visible. So we need to get this checkpoint file and some other ones up here. The IP adapter model, we have to get that from this spot right here. Hugging Face IP adapter tree main. Not sure if you can just search that. Yeah, looks like you can. So you want to get this. Go and click this button here. Click clone repository. Copy the git link again. And you will go to your custom nodes, IP adapter plus, and the models folder right here. Open the CMD here in the address bar and clone that repository to your computer. This one is like 37 gigabyte, by the way. So you might want to just download what you need. So this one, IP adapter plus SD15. This one right here. You could just like download these two files, the bin file and this one. Wait, that's not the plus file. Make sure it's the plus. IP adapter plus this one. You could just download those two specifically. Cut those files. Go back into the custom nodes, IP adapter plus models, and paste it here. You can hit refresh. Okay, for the clip vision, it wanted to get this one here. IP adapter SD image encoder. And that's on Hugging Face. So we want to download that file, the model file, and we want to rename it to this. And that'll go in the clip vision models. I'll show you. So rename it. That models clip vision, and there's a SD 1.5 folder. Put it in there. That says that SD right there. So it's an SD model. That takes care of that. You refresh it. Load that one. Then we need there was a model in there. The name of it was this here. MM_SD_V15_version2. You search that in Google, it'll come up. Download that. You can download it here also. So we want to cut that file. Go into custom nodes folder again, into animate diff evolved models folder, and I'm guessing like you could also clone this entire repository, because you might need these for some other use case. So I would clone it directly into here. Then you would just have everything ready to go if you ever needed it. Otherwise, you would just kind of like pick what you need if you want to save the hard drive space, because it's crazy how much space this stuff takes up. Load this alien. Test this with that. I'm gonna type alien blinking sleeping. That might help it get the eyes to blink. get some pretty cool results with this workflow. Oh, that's weird. Oh, okay. This is an SD model, and I have an XL model loaded. Let's try this LCM one, maybe. This LCM. You'll probably want to change this to LCM then. The amount of steps, we'd probably put it to like 5. The config, turn it down to like 1. Try that. Then you have other settings here, so you like make it a GIF image, animated GIF. Ping pong mode makes it loop. Just turn the seed to randomize. Try it again. Might not be the best example. What you would want to do is you would want to have the second image with its eyes closed to give you like a better result. But sometimes it just works, so. I think that about wraps it all up. There actually is one more thing I almost forgot. You might need this for some of the custom nodes when they install. They require you have the build tools to set them up. So you want to get Visual Studio 2022, their setup here. Let's go to the community free download. It'll download the setup. Run that. Okay. So I have a bunch installed already, but I'll show you a clip. Modify here and go look at the side panel here. You want Python development checked. Desktop development with C++, I think, is the important one. In here, you want to make sure you have like all the build tools, anything with tools, build acceleration, software development kits probably. I just checked most of it, but ends up being like quite a bit of gigabytes. It might be like 20 to 30 gigs maybe, but anything that says build tools, and just make sure you check all that under desktop development C++. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope this video helps you out, makes the whole process a lot less intimidating. Thanks for watching. Peace.